In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the music language in Suno AI. Whether you're looking to create music in a different language or simply explore the diverse capabilities of Suno AI, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Once there, type in Suno AI in the search bar and hit enter. You'll see a list of search results. But what we're looking for is the official Suno AI website. Click on the link that corresponds to that. Once you're on the Suno AI homepage, you'll need to sign in. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. If you don't already have an account, don't worry. Creating one is quite simple. You can follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. Once signed in, you'll be ready to create your music. Now, click on the option Create, available on the main menu. This will lead you to the Music Creation section. Here, select Simple to begin crafting your song description. This part is crucial because your song description will guide Suno AI in generating your music. Remember to specify the language for your song within the description. This is how the AI knows in which language to compose the music. Taking a moment to clearly outline what you want will make a significant difference in the final output. Be as detailed or as simple as you'd like, depending on how specific the song is supposed to be. After you've prepared your song description, hit Create to start the music generation process. Suno AI will begin working its magic, and soon enough, the right side of your screen will display the generated music. You'll see a preview of the music along with intuitive controls for playback. If you're satisfied with what you hear, the next step is to download your creation. Locate the 3 dots usually found next to the music track or player. Clicking this will bring up a menu with various options, including Download. Select it, and your tailor-made language-specific track will begin downloading to your device. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide to changing the music language in Suno AI. This tool can open up a world of musical possibilities, allowing you to create in different languages and styles. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you enjoy experimenting with the vast creative opportunities that Suno AI offers. Stay tuned for more guides that help you get the most out of today's innovative tools.